Did you know that fatty liver disease affects nearly 25% of the world's population, and most people don't even realize they have it? This silent condition can creep up unnoticed, leading to serious health risks like inflammation, liver damage, and even diabetes. Poor diet, excess sugar, and unhealthy fats all contribute to fat buildup in the liver, making it harder for your body to detoxify and function properly. But here's the good news. Your liver is incredibly resilient. With the right foods, you can naturally support fat burning and liver detoxification. Stick around as I reveal 5 powerful superfoods that can help melt away liver fat and restore your health. Fatty liver disease occurs when excess fat builds up in the liver, often due to poor diet, obesity, insulin resistance, and excessive alcohol consumption. When the liver stores too much fat, it struggles to perform its essential functions, such as detoxifying the body, regulating metabolism, and breaking down nutrients. The dangerous part? Fatty liver is often called a silent killer because it typically has no noticeable symptoms in its early stages. Over time, however, it can lead to inflammation, liver scarring, and even life-threatening conditions like cirrhosis or liver failure. It also significantly increases the risk of diabetes, heart disease, and other metabolic disorders. The good news? Your liver is incredibly resilient and capable of healing. By making smart food choices, you can naturally reduce liver fat, boost detoxification, and restore your health. Now that we understand why liver fat is so dangerous, let's dive into the 5 powerful superfoods that can help eliminate it naturally. Let's get started. Avocados are not only a creamy and versatile fruit, but also a nutritional powerhouse for liver health. Packed with heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, they play a crucial role in reducing inflammation and supporting fat metabolism, which helps prevent the accumulation of excess fat in the liver, a key factor in conditions like fatty liver disease. Additionally, avocados are rich in glutathione, a powerful antioxidant that aids in detoxification by neutralizing harmful toxins and protecting liver cells from oxidative stress. This combination of anti-inflammatory properties and detoxifying compounds makes avocados an excellent addition to a liver-friendly diet. Their versatility allows for effortless incorporation into meals. Whether blended into smoothies, sliced into salads, or paired with eggs, avocados offer a delicious and nourishing way to support overall liver function. Green tea is a widely celebrated beverage known for its impressive health benefits, particularly its positive effects on liver health. It is rich in epigallocatechin galate, EGCG, a potent antioxidant that has been scientifically shown to aid in the breakdown of liver fat and enhance liver enzyme function. By reducing oxidative stress and inflammation, green tea helps protect the liver from damage and supports its natural detoxification processes. Research indicates that regular consumption of green tea may lower the risk of developing fatty liver disease and contribute to overall liver wellness. To maximize its benefits, it is recommended to drink 2 to 3 cups of unsweetened green tea per day. Avoid adding sugar or artificial sweeteners, as excess sugar intake can contribute to fat accumulation in the liver, counteracting the tea's protective effects. Incorporating green tea into your daily routine is a simple yet powerful way to promote liver health and overall well-being. Turmeric is a potent anti-inflammatory spice that has been widely recognized for its remarkable benefits in supporting liver health. The key compound in turmeric, curcumin, plays a vital role in reducing liver inflammation and combating oxidative stress, both of which are major contributors to liver damage and disease. Curcumin enhances the production of bile, a digestive fluid that helps break down fats and remove toxins from the liver, preventing fat accumulation and promoting overall liver detoxification. Additionally, its powerful antioxidant properties protect liver cells from damage caused by free radicals, which can lead to conditions such as fatty liver disease or cirrhosis over time. By reducing inflammation and supporting detox pathways, turmeric helps maintain optimal liver function and long-term health. Incorporating turmeric into your daily routine is simple and can significantly boost its benefits when combined with black pepper, which contains piperine, an essential compound that enhances curcumin absorption. One easy way to consume turmeric is by mixing it into warm water or tea, along with a pinch of black pepper and a dash of healthy fats like coconut oil or ghee for better bioavailability. Turmeric can also be blended into smoothies, sprinkled over roasted vegetables, or added to soups, stews, and curries for a flavorful and health-boosting touch. Cruciferous vegetables such as broccoli, Brussels sprouts, and cauliflower are among the most beneficial foods for liver health thanks to their unique combination of detoxifying compounds and essential nutrients. They are rich in sulforaphane, a powerful phytochemical that stimulates the production of detoxification enzymes in the liver, enhancing its ability to break down and remove harmful toxins from the body. Additionally, these vegetables provide a high amount of fiber, which plays a crucial role in promoting gut health and preventing fat accumulation in the liver by supporting healthy digestion and reducing inflammation. Their naturally occurring antioxidants help protect liver cells from oxidative stress, further reducing the risk of liver-related diseases. To fully reap the benefits of cruciferous vegetables, consider incorporating them into your diet through a variety of cooking methods such as steaming, roasting, or stir-frying. These preparation techniques help retain their nutrients while enhancing their flavor, making them a delicious and nutritious addition to any meal. Walnuts are a powerhouse of nutrients that provide significant benefits for liver health, making them an excellent addition to a balanced diet. As one of the best plant-based sources of omega-3 fatty acids, walnuts help reduce inflammation in the liver, which is crucial for preventing and managing conditions like non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD. These healthy fats also support liver cell function and promote fat metabolism, reducing the risk of excessive fat buildup in the liver. Additionally, walnuts are rich in arginine, an essential amino acid that plays a key role in detoxification by helping the liver eliminate ammonia, a byproduct of protein metabolism that can be harmful in high amounts. Research suggests that regular consumption of walnuts can improve liver enzyme levels, reduce oxidative stress, and support overall liver function. Adding walnuts to your diet is easy and delicious. Enjoy them as a convenient snack, mix them into oatmeal for added texture, or toss them into salads for a nutrient-packed crunch. Try adding at least one of these foods to your diet daily, and you'll start seeing improvements in your liver health over time. Which of these superfoods do you already eat? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips every week. See you in the next video.